Are you in search of the ideal material that offers high strength, superior corrosion resistance, and excellent versatility? Your search ends here. Step inside our facility and discover how premium aluminum profiles are made. We maintain rigorous control over every step, from sourcing high-quality aluminum billets to precision extrusion. Our state-of-the-art production lines guarantee profiles with exact dimensions and unwavering performance. With advanced surface treatment technologies, we offer a diverse range of colors and finishes to meet both your aesthetic and durability requirements. Our aluminum profiles are more than just a material. They are the foundational framework for your innovation. Widely used in building facades, residential windows and doors, industrial structures, and new energy equipment, their lightweight nature ensures robust structures and efficient installation. The exceptional malleability of aluminum allows us to bring even your most complex design concepts to life. We provide more than just high-quality, versatile aluminum profiles. We deliver complete, customized solutions. Get in touch today to bring your next project to life.